Private jets are symbols of wealth, power, and ultimate freedom. But owning one is far more expensive than most people ever imagine. Today, we break down how much a private jet really costs in 2025, from buying the aircraft to fueling it, maintaining it, and operating it year after year. Welcome to Jetonomics, the economics behind the skies. Let's begin with the biggest cost of all, the purchase price of the jet itself. In 2025, a light jet like a Citation or a Phenom typically costs between $7 and $12 million. A mid-size jet, such as a Challenger 3500 or a Praetor 600, ranges from $15 to $25 million. And long-range jets, the Gulfstreams and Bombardiers of the world, can cost anywhere from $50 to over $95 million. For those wanting a Boeing or Airbus business jet, the price easily reaches $120 to $450 million before customization. Next, the crew. A private jet cannot fly without trained professionals. In 2025, a captain typically earns between $180,000 and $250,000 a year. A first officer earns around $90,000 to $150,000, and larger jets may require a flight attendant, costing $80,000 to $120,000 annually. Altogether, annual crew expenses usually fall between $300,000 and $500,000, even if the jet isn't flying every day.
Fuel is one of the biggest ongoing expenses. A long-range jet like the Gulfstream G650 burns 400 to 500 gallons of fuel per hour. With Jet A fuel prices ranging from $5.20 to $8.50 per gallon in 2025, that means the hourly fuel cost alone is between $2,500 and $4,500. A 5-hour flight can easily cost $12,000 to $20,000 in fuel.
Maintenance keeps the jet airworthy, and it's not cheap. Light jets typically require $200,000 to $300,000 per year in maintenance. Mid-size jets often need between $350,000 and $600,000, and long-range jets can cost anywhere from $800,000 to over $1.5 million annually. Then there are engine overhauls. Every 3,500 to 5,000 flight hours, each engine requires major work, costing $500,000 to $1.5 million per engine. Storing a jet also costs money. In a smaller city, a hangar might cost $3,000 to $6,000 per month. In major airports, the price ranges from $10,000 to $20,000 monthly. Insurance typically adds another $30,000 to $100,000 per year. And every time a jet lands, airports charge handling and landing fees, usually between $300 and $1,500 per landing.
So what does all this add up to? A light jet usually costs between $500,000 and $1 million per year to operate. A mid-size jet typically costs $1 to $2 million per year, and a long-range jet, the type used by billionaires and global executives, can cost anywhere from $2 to $4 million annually. This includes crew, fuel, maintenance, hangar fees, insurance, and unexpected repairs.
Should you own a jet? Ownership makes financial sense if you fly more than 200 hours per year and need maximum flexibility. But if you fly fewer than 150 hours, chartering is almost always cheaper. In 2025, charter rates range from $3,000 to $14,000 per hour, depending on the jet.
Private jets are extraordinary machines, but they require extraordinary budgets. For those who value time, privacy, and control, the cost is justified. For everyone else, chartering or fractional ownership may be the smarter choice. Thanks for watching Jetonomics. Subscribe for more insights into private jet economics, billionaire aviation, and the business behind the skies.